While it's pretty much clear that the S22 Ultra will have the Note design and the S Pen, but there is a lot of confusion regarding the rear camera housing design. But recent leaks and renders have almost confirmed that the LG velvet-like water drop design is the final one, whether you like it or not. Which, if you look at these renders by Let's Go Digital, is beautiful, mostly in the green color. Now, according to Ice Universe, we have more details about the camera sensor specification of the S22 Ultra. Samsung is going to use ISOCELL HM3 108MP sensor, which is a 1/1.33-inch sensor with 0.8 nanometer size pixels and f1.8 aperture. Now, this specs might not be too exciting, like we wanted 200MP, right? But it's all about the refinement and perfection. Now, aside from the main camera, there will be a 12MP 1/2.55-inch sensor, which is a Sony sensor, and it will be an ultra-wide-angle camera with 120-degree field of view. And as rumored previously, there will be two camera sensors for the zoom. Both of them are 10MP Sony sensor, 1/3.52-inch sensor, one with 3x zoom capabilities, and the other one is a 10x periscope zoom camera. Now, Ice Universe is also saying that S22 Ultra will support 45-watt charging that will require 35 minutes for 70% charge of the hefty 5000 mAh battery cell. That is just insanely impressive. Now, coming to the S22 and S22 Plus. Now, both will feature symmetrical bezels and flat fronts and backs, which will make them look like iPhone 13 just without the notch. Now, another interesting thing he said is the no notch part. Well, this can mean two things. First, that S22 and S22 Plus will feature a traditional hole punch camera cutout with a selfie camera, which is pretty much expected. And the second one, which is kind of unusual, is the two phones will come with under-display selfie cameras like the Z Fold 3, but I don't think so. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.